welcome back to Junior Lab Coats. Today we're going to be making something called elephant toothpaste. It'll be really fun. This is a really fun experiment, but it can be messy, so make sure you can do it in a place that you can clean up easily. I'm going to do it in my kitchen. Let's get started. So for this experiment, you'll need an empty plastic bottle, a funnel, a container to catch the mixture, 3% hydrogen peroxide, soap, yeast, a measuring cup, a half cup, a tablespoon, a bowl, and safety glasses. I'm going to use sunglasses, but you can use goggles if you want, anything just to cover your eyes. First thing we're going to do is pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into our plastic bottle. Be sure to hold the funnel and bottle so it doesn't spill. Next, add a big squirt of soap. Mix these two things together. Be careful, you can use a spoon if you want. So now in a separate bowl, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of yeast. Some of you might have packets of yeast. I'm not sure how many tablespoons that is, but you can always measure it out as you pour them out. So 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. And we're going to mix it to let the yeast activate. So now that we have our yeast mixture and our hydrogen peroxide and soap mixture, we are about to add the yeast in. But if you want your elephant toothpaste to be colorful, you can add liquid food coloring in here right now. I couldn't find any, so I didn't add any, but if you want to add some, you can do that before you add the yeast. So now, put on your safety glasses or goggles and quickly pour in the yeast mixture and then step back. So why did the mixture get so bubbly and explode like this? The interaction between the hydrogen peroxide and yeast releases a type of gas molecules called oxygen. But as the oxygen tries to escape, the soap traps the molecules, which is what forms the foam and all the bubbles. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed this experiment, and feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Bye!